Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Excel application course. In the previous video we talked about what Microsoft Excel is and how you can start it in multiple ways. In this video we will start with some parts of the Microsoft window or environment and start getting you familiar with these parts. And of course the entire parts will be split into more videos. So let's get started by pulling up one of the workbook, as you know, we call it in Excel, that we created. So let's pull up book 1, move it up a bit. So this is what your Excel window looks like. The first thing we want to introduce you to is the title bar. The title bar is at the top of the window or the environment, which is here, and what you see is it is written book 1. And that's because when we started our computer and started Excel, it's the first document we try to open, or first new document. And normally when you start a new document in Excel, it starts by naming it book 1, but it doesn't store it for you. And if you open another one, it's book 2, which is why the second one we opened was also named book 2. So book stands for workbook. So the title bar shows you the title of the workbook or the book, and here there is no specific name because we haven't saved it. This is something we will do much later in one of the coming videos. So that's for the title bar. And next to the title bar or below it is what we call the tab or menu bar. And if you look at from file until help, these are all menus, and this complete bar here is called the menu bar or the tab bar. So menu, or each menu, contain a group of other items and commands. For example, with the green line on the under home, it shows you that I'm on the home menu. So if I go to insert, then I'm in insert menu. And if you look below, you see that the information below them are changing. See, so I go back to home. So what you see below them, the menu bar, are called the groups and commands. So under each menu there's a list of group, and under each group there is a list of command. So for example, on the home you have the clipboard group, the font group, the alignment group, and under the clipboard group you have the format painter command, the copy command, and the cut command, and so many others. So that's how you tell for each menu which groups are there and which commands are there. These are things we will be using more as we go along the course to show you how you can use them to execute some nice things in Excel. And to continue, we will look at the item or icon here, which we call the Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Now we just talked about groups and commands. Now the Customize Quick Access is a way that you can quickly access some commands without going through the menu and the groups. So if I click this, a list of customized commands or instructions are there, like undo, redo, open, and you can also look for more commands. So again, we just want to show you the parts of Excel that you can use for a number of things. So this is one part of it, and in our next video we will continue with the other part. Thank you for listening, and see you.